Here we come to the underground elevators at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. These are monitor TR fixtures of some sort. And judging by these brails, these are Westinghouse elevators. Looks like a Westinghouse door track. I'm gonna listen to the motor going up. Let's go up. I love that motor. Now we're gonna send this down to EX and we'll get the other elevator car. All right, there that one goes. Hopefully the other one works. All right, here's this one right here. Hopefully get a full silent trip. These definitely used to be Westinghouse elevators. All right, let's go back up to one end there. Oh, look at that interlock right there. They replaced the interlock. I assume these elevators were modernized in 2003. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.